There's no perfect system for becoming a junior developer, but I do have a few problems with some of those coding boot camps. But really, there's one major problem that I have with all of them. Hey Junior Devs, Dev Mentor Dave here, helping you bridge the gap from learning code to launching a successful career. This is just a short video talking about one major problem with boot camps. Now, there are a lot of great things about boot camps, and there are some cons about boot camps as well. And if you'd like to learn more about that, I'll put a link to our latest live stream where we talk all about boot camps, the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is just a short clip from that live stream, and I hope it's helpful to you. Most of the boot camps that you find today are teaching exactly the same thing. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know that there's a lot more to becoming a web developer, for example, or a software developer than just learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are many other languages that we use. There are different types of frameworks. There are different tools, different processes, all kinds of things that are generally outside the scope of, I would say, 95 to 99% of the boot camps that are out there. Almost every boot camp you see is going to be putting out the same type of product, right? And by that, I mean the same type of junior developers. Of course, they're all going to be at different levels because everybody learns things faster or slower. And so, but the product they're putting out, the developers, the knowledge that they're putting out is mostly the same from one boot camp to another. And that doesn't necessarily sound like a problem, but the problem is we have lots of holes and needs in the development community that are not being met by these boot camps. And so what we're actually getting is we're getting a ton of junior developers who are front end or sometimes full stack JavaScript developers, but we don't have anybody filling in the gaps of some of these other places that we really need people to join in. And so it makes it hard for junior developers to get jobs because they're all fighting for the same few jobs in that very specific narrow skill set of kind of front end or maybe full stack HTML, CSS, JavaScript development. And they're missing all these other opportunities where maybe if they went a different path from as far as a training standpoint, they might be able to get a job a little bit faster because they'll have skills that other junior developers don't have. So that's a con of boot camps. And it's one that really is more on them than anything because it's easy to teach people HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. And so it's easy to churn out the same product over and over and over again. And so that's a big con to me when it comes to these coding boot camps. Hopefully that was a help to you. And if so, would you click the like button so the YouTube will tell other people about it? And if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a video or every time we go live, which is every Monday at 7 p.m. Central. We'll see you on the next one.